I'm Chef Kody. Today we're making breakfast.
What type of breakfast are you making?
Pancakes.
You're making pancakes? That doesn't look like that. What is that?
It's toast or
French toast. So we're making pancakes and French toast. What else are we making? What do we have over here?
eggs.
Eggs, and what else?
Butter.
Butter. What else is over there?
Water.
What's this?
Bacon.
Bacon. Turkey bacon. You know why? Because you're the baconator.
Because I like bacon.
What's the first thing we need to do? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know?
Nope.
You don't know? Okay. So first we gotta get a bowl. So we have our bowl. So now we need to mix our pancakes. Now we're going to take some maple and we're just gonna pour a little bit of drops in. Just a little bit of drops go in, just a little bit. All right, and now we need to pour in the water.
Woo! Really good.
Okay, just a little bit of water. More, a little more, I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Okay, that's enough. So we want thick pancakes. So to make thick pancakes, we use just a little bit of water, okay?
Yeah.
Now, what do we need to do?
Get the cream.
We need to mix.
Okay, so this is really easy. You can do this at home, but you can do this at home, kids. So Daddy we had to put some more pancake mix because it wasn't thick enough.
There we go. That's what we want. So now we got to turn on our griddle.
Well, then we have to do something.
Turn on our griddle. And kids, make sure you have an adult. So we're going to do about 325 egg. You know how to crack an egg? Can you crack the egg and put it in here?
It's a little too cracky.
Just gotta break it here and put it in here. Let's see if you can do it. Looks like Daddy's gonna have to take over for this one. Gotta learn how to do it. We'll get it.
Okay, so me and Kane cracked the egg before, but this one is a little harder. So guys, if you see a red thing in the circle, then that means the stove is hot.
Okay, you gonna try and crack the egg this time? Come on, let's try and crack the egg.
Where do I crack?
Try and crack it on the pan. Harder. Okay, it's cracked. Now open it up. Put your thumb in and split it open. Oh, yay, you did it.
This was my first time doing it.
We're gonna pour the pancakes on.
Hey, yo. Whoa, it's like pancakes. Oh, we're pinning like a circle. Now I get it. Got. Mommy gets a little bit. Okay, so we're pinning 4 of those. There's 4 of us.
So our pancakes are cooking. Our eggs are cooking. Over here, our bacon is cooking also, and Daddy's gonna make his French toast last because he's gonna cook for everybody else first. Keep practicing. So, how does it taste? Oh, you forgot something. Gotta put some syrup on your pancakes.
She's awesome.
It's awesome.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember always, being right. Bye.